I walked out of a 13-year relationship. Hi, Titas. Welcome to Tita Lee Confidential, where I tell your stories and I don't judge. 7 years into our relationship, she got an offer to work abroad. For context, college sweethearts kami. Of course, I supported her. Ayoko maging dahilan kung bakit hindi siya mag-grow. Ayoko maging controlling partner. So kahit mahirap, I let her go. Chase her dreams. Siguro kasi sanay na kami sa routine. Good morning texts, weekend dates, the usual. Minsan pala, you stay not because of love, but because of familiarity. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. Unti-unti, nagbago siya. Yung message niya parang copy-paste na lang. Video calls, halos wala. And if meron man, ramdam mo yung lamig. Yung parang ayaw kanyang kausap. Dumating sa point na naisip ko, baka kaya siya nag-abroad para makawala sa relationship. Then one day, she said she needed space. Space? Masawi na nga kami eh. Pero sige, kung yun ang kailangan niya, I'll give it. Then suddenly, uuwi siya for vacation. Excited daw siya, excited sa dates namin. So ito naman ako, si tanga, excited magsundo sa airport, excited maging okay ulit. And every time, ganun ang cycle. Pag nasa abroad, cold. Pag nasa Pilipinas, sweet, parang walang problema. Until that cycle became a routine, an unhealthy one. Then one day, she resigned. And funny enough, ako naman ang may bigyan ng chance to work abroad. Parang tanga, di ba? Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, I waited long enough to have my opportunity. So I won't waste it. I still tried, efforts sa calls, efforts sa updates, but nasanay na siya sa setup na physical presence ng okay, ng relationship. Pag malayo, parang wala. Hanggang sa na-realize ko, wala nang future. We were just updating each other. Parang deal na lang. Parang obligation. And yes, I'll admit it, I cheated. But I broke up with her right away. Not to justify it, but because deep down, I knew the relationship ended long before that happened. I just didn't have the courage to admit it sooner. So, tita, pag toxic na ang relationship, do you stay because sayang years? Or do you let go kahit masakit? Minsan ba, comfort na lang ang hinahawakan natin? Hindi na love? Ikaw, anong gagawin mo kung ikaw to?